Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights into today's top products. Today, we're diving into a crucial product for premature babies, the Similac Neosure Preterm Infant Formula. Designed specifically for infants born before 37 weeks, this formula promises to support their growth and development. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Similac Neosure Preterm Infant Formula is crafted with precision to meet the nutritional needs of preterm babies. It contains essential nutrients like DHA, choline, iron, and more, all crucial for brain and eye development during this critical stage. Firstly, let's talk about its formulation. This formula includes ingredients such as whole milk powder, soy, lactose, and essential vitamins and minerals, providing a balanced diet tailored to premature infants. One of the standout features is its ability to support catch-up growth in preterm babies. This is vital as these infants often need extra support to reach their developmental milestones. Now, let's discuss practicality. The Similac Neosure formula is easy to prepare and store. It comes in a convenient powder form, which you can mix with water following simple instructions. Remember, once opened, it should be used within 2 weeks for optimal freshness. In conclusion, the Similac Neosure Preterm Infant Formula stands out as a reliable choice for parents of premature babies. With its carefully balanced nutrients and focus on developmental support, it aims to give these infants the best start in life. That wraps up our review of the Similac Neosure Preterm Infant Formula. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on essential products. And as always, thanks for watching Product Critique.